The next key part of my analysis is identifying supply and demand zones. Very simply, I use the rectangle function for this. You can see that price comes into demand, right? It fills up those orders, it has a reaction, but demand fails to put in a higher high. And what happens is that supply comes into the market and we get sellers stepping in and pushing price down. We have a demand to supply flip, right? From the low of the reaction to the top of the reaction. And that basically signals to us where sellers have stepped into the market, right? They came in, overpowered demand. And this is where we can look for unfilled orders within here to trade that next movement to the downside, okay? And again, this is where I can mark on our M15 chalk, which is essentially an aggressive way of saying how market structure has shifted in line with that. So then this is a trade idea that we lined up and a trade idea that I actually caught. And this is where you want your position tools, which you can find over here. And this is how you frame your trade ideas. Hopefully you can now see that you don't need tons of bells and whistles, loads of analysis on your charts, just a few simple geometric shapes, some horizontal lines, if you understand the true underlying market dynamics of how price truly moves.